Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this super quick tutorial, I'm just going to fly through the LSP Femme presets within Evoto. Evoto is a super fast AI editing software, free to download, free to use. You just pay pennies every time you want to export an image. It's a great kind of in-between with your Photoshop workflow. And you can also use this for like a quick proof workflow, trying things out, lots of things you can do. Because Evoto doesn't become maybe quite so useful when you're bombarded with so many options and combinations that you can have in here. The whole point is speed. So my complete presets are in workflow order. You can race through your Evoto edit even faster without even having to play with the sliders very much, if at all. Each section is organised so you can easily and swiftly kind of mask, tweak, change as you need to go if needed. So I've got some fashion images up. These are model images. These are shot by Charlie Kaufman at Click Photography. Beautiful images here. I'm just going to race through using the presets. The whole point of this edit is it's fast. I'm going to show you how fast it can be using the presets. But in the presets, you also have base adjustments, portrait retouch with skin, teeth, eyes, makeup, hair salon, dress and body mods, finishing touches. Everything's kind of here with the LSP way of working within Evoto. A little bit of a match made in heaven. So we're just going to go super fast. For this one, I'm going to click on editorial. And you can see there, one click, it's made a huge difference to this image. Before and after. If you don't see your before and afters, make sure you've clicked here where it says real-time colour adjustments. Turn that off. For the complete tutorial, you can watch the main tutorial on the Femme presets here, where I go through everything a lot slower, every preset. A real in-depth look at it. This is just a quick race through to show you what they're capable of. So let's click on another image here. As you see, this is straight out of the camera, CR2 raw file. I'm going to click Boho Babe for this one. It's just playing out and we're done. Before and after, you can see it's even added lens correction. It's applied, it's kind of undistorted this image to create this beautiful finish even to the background. So I've played with every section in Evoto to create these all-in-one presets for you. So you just need to click them. And of course you can go in and make changes if you want to. Let's pop a fashion edit on this image, just playing out, just 1 second and we're done. Before and after. You can do this manually in Evoto, but I've designed the presets so you don't even have to do that because again, the whole point is speed. Let's try this this cool image here. I love this. Click backdrops, absolutely amazing. What should we do for this one? How about editorial? Let's create an editorial finish for this one here. Now these presets I'm clicking, they do not come with Evoto, these come separately on LSP, you just load them into your Evoto and get going. Just one click, I'm not pausing, I'm not speeding up. Look, I can just reset that and then click it again and it's just playing out, applying, and it's done. Super fast, amazing. How about we do a complete fashion edit on this one? Just playing out. This is a raw file, RAF file. Before and after completely change the image. So if you are shooting for fashion and you've got a quick turnaround needed, bam, bam. With AI, of course, you're going to have a little look around. I recommend zooming in at least 100% whenever you've done an edit and just having a look around the edges, looking around the eyebrows, lashes, anything like that, making sure you're happy with that before and after. Even though this is AI technology with some LSP magic included, nothing ever is going to replace the human eye or hand editing. So do definitely zoom in and take a look and make sure you're happy before and after. Super, super fast, super, super quick. You can check out the other tutorials for a more detailed edit where we can go through each section a little bit slower. Of course, you can click all of these, any of these. These are the one-click presets. But the LSP Actions presets for Evoto also contain manual areas for your base adjustments, portrait, skin, teeth and eyes, makeup, hair salon, dress, body mods, finishing touches. Great for family, great for feminine studio portrait, amazing for maternity with everything that's included in there. You have your before and after for maternity. You see there the skin changes just in a few clicks. So you can grab these on the LSP Actions website. I do recommend watching the complete tutorial, start to finish if you're new to Evoto, or you want to know exactly how each one of these presets work. Enjoy! I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.